Hello friends, welcome to Smarter Brains. In this video tutorial, I'll explain you how to upload and host your static website onto Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is a super fast file storage that allows you to serve your static files very quickly. So let us get started. S3 is based on the concept of buckets. Every bucket basically holds a set of files that you want to host. So for hosting a static website, let us first create one bucket. In order to host a static website, you need to ensure that you name the bucket with the respective domain name that you are targeting. So let us say I am targeting static.smartbrains.in. So I'll name the bucket accordingly. I'll choose the region which is probably nearby to my target audience and move forward with it. These options you can leave it as it is. I would not really explain because it's not really required for static website hosting. It is important that you unmark all these blocking policies. That is, it basically is for security purposes. It basically blocks your files from being exposed. However, since we plan to expose our content for a static website, we need to unblock it and proceed. So just click create bucket and your bucket will be created. Now you need to enable this bucket for static website hosting. For that, go to permissions. In the permissions, you need to basically put down a bucket policy which says that you need to allow your website content to be accessed as a read-only file by any user. For the same, I will use this bucket policy that I have pretty much ready. So this bucket policy I'll also paste in the description of the video so that you can use it. So here all you would need to do is change your domain name over here and it will give a public read access to all the objects on the bucket. Alright, so now let us save and upload our website content to the S3 bucket. For uploading, you can directly upload the content from the UI by clicking upload, and I'll just host a static coming soon page onto the S3 bucket. So as you can see, the files are starting to upload, and once it is uploaded, you will be able to access the site using S3 bucket URL. For the same, you need to go to properties and enable static website hosting. In the static website hosting section, choose use this bucket to host a website. Identify your welcome document, that is index.html page in our case, you can see over here, and save the same. Now you should be able to access this website using this static URL as soon as it is uploaded. So now that it is uploaded, let us just try that out. As you can see, now you are able to access your website directly using the same S3 URL, but it is not pointing to your domain name yet. For pointing it to the domain name, what you need to do is add a CNAME record. A CNAME record basically says that okay, I want to point this particular subdomain to this particular URL. So let us do that. Over here I have the Smarter Brains domain open for actually putting the CNAME. I'll just paste this URL here. The TTL actually is half hour for this one. However, if it reflects immediately, then we will be able to actually test the URL and progress with it. So make sure that there are no restricted characters onto your URL. I just removed the forward slash that was blocking. As soon as it is saved, you should be able to access the site with static.smarterbrains.in. So as you can see, the site is pretty much visible over here with the specific subdomain. It definitely took a few seconds to basically propagate the settings, but yes, eventually you will be able to see it with the specific subdomain. Feel free to comment in case of any questions and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.